what React Bootstrap gave me. So you can see we have the logo, React Bootstrap, we have menu item, features, pricing, I have drop down, I have some other button here. So if I want to see if this particular navigation bar is responsive, all you just need to do to check the responsiveness of this navigation bar, you can see how your application is working on different screen, because you must also consider mobile first in your implementation, because if you just design a website and it's not mobile responsive, then it becomes a problem. So I'll just right click. So when you right click, you come to inspect. So when you come to inspect, if you click on this particular icon, you see different elements. As if you are building app regularly, you should be familiar with most of these things, the service and support. We will not disturb ourselves too much. What we are just concerned about at the moment is to see the responsiveness of our application by trying to see how it appears on different screen sizes: mobile, tablet, laptop, and so on and so forth. So what you just need to do, once you right click, then you click on inspect, it will bring up your your console. And in case it's showing sideways and you want to bring it down, so all you just need to do is just to click on these three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you will see where to put it. If you want to put it to the side, you click on this, you can see it has taken it to the side. If you want to put it to the left hand side, you can click on that. If you want to put it, I prefer to put it down, so just put it down so that I can see how the application is working. So if I want to see the responsiveness of this application, I'll just click on this. You can see toggle device toolbar. So once I click on this, you will see different screen size. So the smallest one is a mobile size screen, which is 320 pixel. So you can see this is how it will appear on a mobile phone. So the mobile phone user just need to click on this hamburger icon, and he or she will see the menu items, the drop down and other list. So by the time we leave this smallest screen size, you can also see another medium screen size on a mobile phone. You can see it a bit bigger, just that it also appear with this hamburger, and you need to click on the drop down. You can see how it's opening the drop down. And also if you want to see how it appears on tablet, you can also click on that, and that will also see this. And on a laptop, the screen will be expanded. You can see now the menu item has been opened, and you can see your options, and you can also see a very large laptop screen size. You can see a 4K screen size, and that is how to check the responsiveness of your application. So now let us close this. Might just close this, and now you have something that appears to be a navigation bar. Don't forget you have a wireframe that is guiding your development. In wireframe, you have your logo, you have home and blockchain, and you also have a button here. So now let us update the navigation bar that we have to speak to our wireframe, to speak the language that we have here, that we have represented here, so that we can be able to make progress with our design. So the first thing you should look for is this React Bootstrap. So I'll just erase this. You can see I have the compose on collapse on select, expand on large, the class, I have the BG body territory, and also I don't want to, let me just erase this and just say just hash. So the name of my application, you can see here, just look for where you have the letter and just change it. It's just like editing documents, it's the same thing. So by the time you work with this for some time, it becomes easy for you to work with and also to update. So you don't need to change what you don't know, just to change the text. Now you can see the menu items. Now you have the features, you have the pricing, and you have the one that is a drop down. So for now, I don't think we need the drop down, so I'll just try to close that drop down, then so that it will be easier for me to highlight. But once I highlight, I'll just delete it because I don't need the drop down, but I need two menu items. So the first one, you can see these are the menu items. I will just not take it to anywhere for now. I will just say what's our first menu item. First menu item is home. Let me just say home, and then our next menu item, I don't want you to take, this is where it will link to. So, and also the second menu item is, let's just say about. Let's just say about. And you can also see that from our wireframe, to the right, we have a button called Connect Wallet. And the same thing on the one that we copy, we have two buttons to the right of the navigation bar. So that's what we are going to be trying to work with. So meaning that for this other side, you can see that if you try to study the way it's structured, you can see that these two menu items are the ones that are pushed to the right of the navigation bar. So we need it to be a button. So I'll just erase these two. Just erase these two. So I'll just create it as a button. I'll do connect wallet based on the wireframe. Do connect wallet. So I can do, if you want to know more about these buttons, you can just come to the documentation and just look for buttons. Unless I need a button, I'll just come to buttons. Just come to buttons. You can see different types of buttons. So I need this black. I need this tag. So I'll just copy this. You can see very easy. Copy it, but make sure that when you copy it, the component you are using, which is this, make sure that you have it imported. So I'll just put the button here. Just copy and paste, very easy. So connect wallet. So make sure that your button component is installed or imported. So since I'm not using drop down again, you can just erase it. You can even see the one that is active. Let me just do Ctrl Z. You can see before this is not active. That means I don't have any element inside this file that is using this particular component. So that means I can remove it. So I'll just replace it with the button since I have a button component here. So having done that, let me just remove this. Let me also remove this. So let's save it and see what we have. So if we save it, your application is still running. You can see. So I'll just open the application now, and then I go here. You can see we have DeliverX, we have home, we have about, we also have the Connect Wallet, which is a button. You can see from our wireframe now we have it here developed as an application.